In today's video, I will show you guys how to remove the cloud icon on your apps from your app store. First, let me open my app store, and then there you can see this cloud icon that's on your button that gets you the app downloaded. Now the way to remove this is first go back to your home page and then open up your account that's on the top right. After doing so, click on apps and then go to the not on this iPhone section. Now there you can remove all the apps that you want to remove. First let me find PUBG and then just slide it to the left and then you'll see the hide option. Now press hide and then click done. Now there you can see there is no more of the cloud icon on my PUBG Mobile, and that is how you remove the cloud icon on your apps from App Store. Don't forget to leave a like on the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out more of our content, and then also comment on what you want our next videos to be on. So thank you for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.